reward is low, the risk is also low, you need only low quality of resources. Where do risks come from? Let's understand this. Risk comes from all. It comes from the people involved, the structure, that is the management structure and the systems of the organization, the technology, and the tasks that you are planning to work. Risks are induced by the stakeholders. It could be the employees, the contractors, competitors, financial institutions, regulatory agencies, a whole lot of works around. Everybody induces a risk in any project. I just want to clarify the difference between a risk and a problem, because we have a habit of intermixing the two. Risk is a possibility of something that may occur in the future. It has its origins, as I explained earlier, in uncertainty, and as on today, you have to identify for the future so that you take some actions as on today. Problem is a certainty. It has already happened because you didn't anticipate it earlier and it requires immediate action. If a risk is not identified and managed, surely it will lead to a problem. Factors influencing a typical project risk. Of course, as I said, the uncertainty, it can be a high uncertainty, a low uncertainty. It can be few unknowns or lots of unknowns. As you can see, again, it comes down to a 4x4 matrix. When it is a low uncertainty and few unknowns, that kind of a project requires a process definition. That means the project processes and outcomes are certain. All you have to control is project processes and outcomes. As the uncertainty increases and lots of unknowns come in, you are slowly moving towards understanding what has happened earlier or similar projects. That means the focus shifts to knowledge management. You need to have a knowledge base of similar projects to predict what can possibly go wrong with the project that you are going to handle.